Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to download files and database of WordPress website using InstaWP dashboard. So we are using InstaWP platform. Now you see sites. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to download files and database. So you can transfer your files and database to other hosting if you want. Now you see site name, so click on it. Now you see multiple option and then you see backup, so click on it. So if you want, you can create backup now, so click on it and then click on confirm. After that, you will see date and time, type, file size, database size, action. Now you see download files, so click on it. Now you see file, WinRAR format, archive. So you can find here WP config, content folder, all WordPress website files, and then click on save. And then we are going to download database. Now you see download database, so click on it. Now you see database download in SQL format .sql and then click on save. So in this way you can download files and database of WordPress website using InstaWP dashboard, and then you can use both files and database to other hosting. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.